Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is new governors for 9 states. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, President Draupadi Murmu appointed governors for Rajasthan, Telangana, Maharashtra, Punjab, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Now let's discuss how is the governor of a state appointed. The President of India appoints state governors. Article 153 of the Indian Constitution says there shall be a governor for each state. Article 155 says that the governor of a state shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. Under Article 156, the governor shall hold office during the pleasure of the President, but his normal term of office will be 5 years. If the President withdraws her pleasure before the completion of 5 years, the governor has to step down. Since the President acts on the aid and advice of the Prime Minister and the Union Council of Ministers, in effect, the governor is appointed and removed by the central government. Now let's discuss that what are the qualifications of the governor. Articles 157 and 158 lay down the qualifications of the governor and the conditions of his office. The governor must be a citizen of India and should have completed the age of 35 years. The governor should not be a member of parliament or a state legislator and must not hold any other office of profit. Now moving on to role of governors. The position of the governor is envisaged as a political head who must act on the advice of the Council of Ministers of the state. Article 163 states that there shall be a Council of Ministers with the Chief Minister at the head to aid and advise the governor in the exercise of his functions. The governor enjoys certain powers under the Constitution which make his position very significant, such as giving or withholding assent to a bill passed by the state legislature, determining the time needed for a party to prove its majority in the state assembly, and determining which party must be called first to prove its majority. Now lastly, let's discuss what are the constitutional reforms suggested by various committees. The Sarkaria Commission 1988. The governor should be appointed by the President after consultation with the Chief Minister of the concerned state. Venkatacharya Commission 2002. The appointment of governors should be entrusted to a committee comprising the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha and the Chief Minister of the concerned state. And Punchi Commission 2010. The commission suggested that a governor should be removed only by a resolution of the state legislature, which would ensure more stability and autonomy for the states. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about governor. 1. Under Article 156, the governor hold office during the pleasure of the President. 2. The governor can hold any other office of profit. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.